Meron sa gilid.
much better now.
Oh, you feel much better now? Oh, that's good to hear, my love. Thank you.
Doctor fix me.
The doctor fixed you?
That's my better now, Daddy.
Shush, Daddy, listen to Paris. She feel much better now, she said.
That's very good. I love when you feel better.
That's a cake fix.
Oh.
That's a fix, Mama.
It's okay that you play PS4, Daddy, but, you know, as long as you're not playing games with my heart. Hala! Love! Go, Daddy.
Daddy!
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone! Have a look. Ang ating baby girl ay nandito sa bahay kahit na Tuesday. And kitang-kita nyo sa kanya mga mata kung bakit nasa bahay siya ngayon, guys. How are you, Nak? So, since Sunday, guys, di ba remember, pumunta kami ng beach Sunday. And then, pagka-uwi namin sa hapon, I can feel that Paris was hot. So, meron siyang lagnat from, Sunday afternoon. So, I think, anong tawag dun, guys, sa Bisaya? Tinatawag namin yung subaw. Ayan. So, hanggang ngayon, ay hindi maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mata, oh. Ay, shush! Okay. Hi, friends! Okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Last night, meron pa rin siyang lagnat, guys. She was still a bit hot when she woke up this morning. And medyo suki siya, guys. Alam niyo naman siya kapag merong, dinaramdam. Ayan. Suki-suki lala. Oh, meron din siyang mouth ulcer, guys. Tingnan niyo sa kanyang tongue, Meron sa gilid.
Much better now.
Oh, you feel much better now? Oh, that's good to hear, my love. Thank you.
Doctor fix me.
The doctor fixed you?
She's a cat.
Really?
She's a cat, me.
Wait, who is your doctor?
The cat.
The cat?
Yes.
Oh no, the cat is your doctor?
And then you cut it.
Oh, shush.
That's my better now, Daddy.
Shush, Daddy, listen to Paris. She feel much better now, she said.
That's very good. I love when you feel better.
That's a cake fix.
Oh.
That's a fix, Mama.
The doctor fixed you. Good job, my
Daddy.
love.
That's a fix.
Doctor fix. Ayan. It's nearly 2:30 na pa. 12:30 ng guys, ng hapon. And Daddy Mike and I were having our lunch break together. Kasi, yun na nga, dalhin namin ang aming baby girl somewhere outside. Kasi maganda rin yung araw sa labas, guys. It is now 30 degrees. Oh my God, summer na dito. Kaya yun, dadalhin namin si Paris kasi gusto din niyang pumunta ng sasakyan. So, we're gonna grab something to eat outside and then, para makalabas din si baby girl natin. You gonna bring your sister na? Baby Josephine? Push the button. Hala, wala na. Shush.
Cuff?
Cough? She's happy. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata, guys. Oh, hiloy kaayo.
It's happy.
She's happy.
Did it cry? Did it get a cuff?
Cough?
Cuff, please.
Then. She's not coughing, no. There you go.
Cry?
Cry? Hanggang ngayon ay medyo mainit pa rin siya, guys.
When did Josephine
Ayan,
cry?
You want Josephine to cry.
On the cry.
Come on, let's go now. You're pushing? Okay, push na.
I hate.
Find the keys, go. Itong car keys. So we can go. Come on na. Ayan, naka-shorts lang siya, guys. O, tapos naka-sleeveless. Si Mami yun din ay naka-sleeveless din, guys. Yung binili natin sa Shein. Ayan. Anyways, Daddy Mike is there waiting na guys. Okay, alis na tayo. Let's go, nanak. Paris will turn the light off. Gusto niya talagang mag-turn light off, guys. Careful, Paris. Can you reach it? Can you reach it?
Up.
Wow! Big
Up,
girl.
Esin. And then come down.
Daddy, up.
Up man day.
Put the chair back.
Alis na kami, guys. Wow! Sobrang mainit. Come on. Come down. Huh? Scary. Mama, go konti. What are you having, Nak?
Ice.
Ice. Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. That's perfect day for an ice, honey. You're pushing? Okay. Alright, we'll wait.
Oh, wait, the car.
Mommy will wait in the car?
No. Mama, you got the better. Daddy,
Where's your water bottle? Daddy's got it. Napakaganda ng araw, guys. Ayan, oh, super warm. Mahangin nga lang. Pero at least yung hangin niya ay galing north kasi warm siya, hindi siya, maginaw. We have to go now. We're here now, guys. Where's the water bottle, Daddy?
Isn't that fat?
Where are we, Paris? Nico? I think they're closed.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
It's the one.
Close sila, guys.
It's the one.
What happened? Where are they?
Business for sale.
Business for sale. Hala. Binta nila ang kanilang shop.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, what would you like now?
That's it.
Huh?
It's closed.
It's closed. Tito is not there. Yeah?
Maybe we
Go
can
get something else.
try and think of that
There's
other.
something else in the bottle.
Is there another ice cream shop around here?
There's a cake.
Come on.
Huh? The cake's so big. Hmm?
That's this one, Baba.
The next one. Let's go to the next one. Paris choosing her toys. So many options. Now, this one, oh, the pram. You don't like the pram?
I'm being a dentist.
I want to be the dentist. Okay, this one is for the dentist. Do you want that?
Okay.
Okay.
I can fix.
This one?
I can fix.
You fix the teeth?
Yes.
That's cute. That's very cute. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure now? You're not gonna change your mind now? Pero tanaw-tanaw pa man rin siya. Oh.
There's something else.
Just get something else.
That's alright, because Mama's buying it for you.
Thank you, Daddy. It's okay. Just get whatever you want. Daddy's paying.
Daddy's been Paris's toy shop the last few weeks.
Okay, want the
Bubbles? You want bubbles? Okay. How about these?
Okay.
There's a bubble at home.
Got that. That one's different, Daddy. So it's now 5:30 and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Oh my God. Late ako natapos today kasi alam nyo kapag incoming Christmas, ganyan, sobrang busy talaga sa work. Kaya yun, instead of 5:30 ako natapos. And si Daddy Mike pala, say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Si Daddy Mike pala, guys, natapos siya. Did you finish at 4:30?
I'll finish it.
You haven't finished it? Chill lang talaga yung work ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi alam nyo, he was sleeping before.
I'll play a bit.
Yeah, he was sleeping before and now he's playing NBA, kanyang PS4. Ayan, tinan nyo,
Shout
parang
out.
bata, oh.
Shout out to all my colleagues.
Yung mga colleagues niya na nag-work, tapos Daddy Mike, ayan, oh, playing games. It's okay that you play PS4, Daddy, but, you know, as long as you're not playing games with my heart. And alam nyo guys, na-notice nyo, wala si Paris dito kasi she is still having a nap. And hinayaan na lang namin siya kasi nga hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya guys. And it's good na makuha niya yung full talaga na sleep. And yeah, pag kagising niya, pupunta kami ng park para makalaro siya. Alam nyo guys, sobrang galing talaga ni Daddy Mike dito sa kanyang NBA. Tingnan nyo, yung score niya ay 70, tapos sa kalaban niya ay 25. Sobrang galing niya talaga. Alam niyo, nung binili namin tong PS4 na to, hindi ko talaga inakala na lalaroin ni Daddy Mike. Kasi, yeah, I just thought na hindi siya maglalaro ng PS4, guys. And ngayon, like, he use it every, maybe at least, you know, twice a week, no. Every second day, at least. Yeah.
You don't get this good by not practicing.
Are you saying you're good?
The score is 74 to 27, so the score speaks for itself.
Okay. Hi! Hi! So guys, it's now 6:30 ng gabi pero sobrang bright na bright pa sa labas guys kasi nga daylight savings dito sa amin. Dito ako sa backyard kasi yung gagawin natin ngayon, hinihintay ko lang yung ating mga damit na nilalabhan ko guys. It's now I think like 3 minutes to go. Tapos ihahang natin kasi sobrang warm today guys. Can you believe it? It's 30 degrees today. Kaya tingnan nyo ang ating suot, nakaganito tayo sa labas. Ang aking baby girl ay nandito. Be, what's this now? Is this for mama?
Pirate.
Ayan na. Ayan ang ating delivery
It's
girl.
a toy, Mommy.
Is it a toy? Is it a toy, honey?
This one is a toy.
Wow, there's 2 for mommy. Mommy's been buying online. Ants. Ooh, ants. How are you feeling, my love?
But you sick.
You sick?
No, I'm not sick anymore.
You're not sick anymore? Sabi, stay here, be. Are you sick?
No.
Not anymore? Not anymore? Good girl. Didn't you say before you're feeling better? Anak?
Mama, how? It's coming.
It's coming. Come on, let's open this one, Akbi. We'll see unsay gipait ni Mama, Bi. So, yan guys, i-open natin yung mga parcel na dala ni Parisyang. I know what this is, Nak. Thank you, Daddy. Ito yung binili ko online, guys. Dress ni Paris na Hello Kitty. Nak, oh.
I want to get out.
Pink. Anak, oh. Super cute. Nilagyan pa nila ng guys, oh. Parang candy na buak gyapon. And then, this t-shirt. Yeah. I like this shirt. Plain white lang siya, guys. Ayan. It's from Tommy Hilfiger. Ayan. Binili ko pala to siya sa eBay, guys. Uy, ang dilim-dilim.
Here. Mom's water here.
Mommy's water here.
I
Ayan.
want
Nice. Then, merong isa pa dito, guys. Tingnan natin kung anong dito.
here, Mommy.
Yes. Hang on, nak. Give me a second, nak. Ayan, nagbili din ako sa AliExpress. Dumating na, guys. Top. Na floral. Love. Ayan, I really like this one, guys. Ito yung mga style ko ngayon, guys. Parang vintage look ba? Ayan. Floral. Super nice. Hala, I can't wait to wear this one, nak. B? Ato rin suoto, nak. Try natin, guys. Hala, what's that, nak?
To play.
Play. Do you wanna go in the park?
Water.
Water? Basa-basa apog ka.
Like yourself.
Ano ba? Hala, amiga. Just a little bit of water, nak. Hala, gamay man siguro ni guys. Hala. Piot? Oh no. It's fine. Ayan. Mamaya na natin yan ano. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Hala, sobrang cute nito sa office. Pang trabaho ni ate niyo. Cute! Nak, do you like this one, nak?
Huh?
Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Oh, asa ka, nak? Uy, bless you, anak. Anyways, tapos na ang ating washing machine, guys. Kaya, manghayhay na tayo. Manghayhay talaga. Bisaya kayo eh. Manghayhay na tayo, guys, para ma-dry. Ugma. Nalock out kami, guys. Nalamba ang among door. Call daddy, nak.
Nina.
Call daddy. Hey, daddy, open the door, please.
Open the door, please.
Call daddy. Daddy. Call daddy.
Daddy!
What's that?
It's a bean.
It's the pin. Lumabas kami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Nakasuot na ng pants ang ating baby girl. Kasi, since nung nasugatan siya sa, tuhod niya, natatakot na siyang mag-shorts. Always na siyang, asking for pants. Hala na, kailangan ni mama ng mask, nak. Wait for mama quickly. Shh. Hoy. Hang on. Hang on, daddy's giving mommy mask, nak. Because the police will catch mama without the mask. There's nothing in the mailbox. Car's going. At least, guys, meron siyang lakas na lumabas. The green snake.
Hey, I found the girl in the right cloud.
That's right, yeah. The green snake behind the clouds.
And white?
Yeah, the white clouds. Ito ang advantage ng guys. Yes, someone's coughing. Umubo si nanay sa likuran. Ito ang advantage ng daylight savings. Kasi super bright. Kahit na 7 o'clock na. Yan, si nanay. Siging cough. Uy. Nak, no? Nak. Is she coughing na?
No.
How do you cough, B? Like that?
See?
Ah. Wala nang tao sa park, guys.
That's why.
Huh?
That's why.
Kasi nga, late na. 7 o'clock. What is it, anak?
Kitty!
Ito na lang sa basketball na lang. May dalawang tao. Butterfly.
Can you get it?
Guys, get it. It's too fast. It's too fast. Oh, where did the butterfly go? Do you want to go run around the oval?
No. In the park.
In the park? Okay. What do you want to do first? Swing?
Small one.
Swing in the small one. Paris gonna swing too?
Okay.
Humpty Paris.
Hey.
Humpty Paris. Do you want Mama to help? Okay. Mommy help.
I can get the reviver.
Huh? Ah, sumusunod siya sa butterfly, guys. Nak, that's very impossible, manak. That's very fast. Hey, the butterfly. It's gone. Very fast, nak. Very, very fast. It's gone. Where did it go?
Here.
Where?
Come and see. Come and see.
It's gone.
It's-
What are you doing, Paris?
Sit.
Do you want Mama to sit down?
Lay down.
Oh, you wanna lay down? You wanna lay down? Okay. Good night, Paris. You sleepy? Hmm.
Wafer is not wafer.
Did you sleep well? Oh.
Yeah, I can ride that.
You can ride that.
Come on, me.
Hmm?
Come on, me.
That's not our bike. You have to go home and get your bike.
No.
Hmm? Go get your bike, Nali.
No.
Sabi niya, guys, oh, I can ride that. Hi guys, so it's now 9 o'clock and we're going to bed very soon kasi si Paris at my childcare bukas, guys. Hopefully, she'll feel better when she wakes up in the morning.
Mommy.
Hi, Nak. What are you eating? You're eating yogurt?
No.
No.
Actually.
Ice cream? There's no ice cream. Ayan guys, okay na naman yung pakiramdam niya yata guys. Hindi na siya masyadong iyakin. Ayan. But yeah, very happy about that. Anyways, mag-share lang ako ng positive quote of the day guys. And ang ating positive quote of the day is
I want to.
accept what it is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. Anyways guys, maraming salamat sa inyo sa patuloy na panonood sa ating channel. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy na yung mga vlogs natin. And now, we will just do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Morena Dusil. And shout out daw sa kanyang Junakis na si Janren and Jean Amor Dusil. Shout out to Marde Pido, Lina Livares, Edeline Manosa, Chari Salazar, Hana Sarumines, Vicky Inot, Belia Munak. Shout out to Medin Maraon, Vida Feliz, Rosemary Hilab, Elisa Cerato, Joanne Owano, Maricar Castañeda, Elvie Montealegre, Cinda Carmelita Alora, Viviel Elerio, Emma Turing, Elsa Mapago, Joanne Ambe, Felina Rodriguez, and Rinar Mayurica Huerta. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah. Flying kiss na. And close.